I can't believe it's finally here. The sleek packaging is so satisfying to peel off. I've been anticipating this upgrade for months. But now that I'm holding it, I feel a bit overwhelmed by all these tiny accessories in the box.
Don't let the small bits intimidate you, Leo. Just lay out the USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and the manual first. You shouldn't try to power it on until you've checked if the screen protector is included in the box.
You're right. Let's see. No screen protector. I'll have to order one separately. Okay, I'm pressing the power button now. The logo is appearing on the screen. It's much brighter than my old device, which was quite dim in direct sunlight.
That's a good sign. Now, it's going to ask you to select your language and region. Be careful with the Wi-Fi connection. If the signal is unstable, the initial software update might fail midway, and that would be a real headache.
I'll move closer to the router just to be safe. The setup wizard is asking if I want to restore data from my previous cloud backup. Should I proceed with that, or start with a fresh installation to avoid carrying over old junk files?
Everything is moving so fast on this screen. It's asking for my fingerprint, then it wants to scan my face. Is this truly necessary? My old phone just used a simple 4-digit passcode that I could remember easily.
It's for your own protection, Grandpa. Biometric authentication is much harder for hackers to bypass than a simple code. If you lose your phone, nobody else can access your banking apps or private photos without your actual face or finger.
I suppose you're right. It's just a bit tedious to go through all these layers of security. Now it's asking me to enable Find My Device. What does that actually imply in terms of privacy?
It means if the phone ever goes missing, you can track its location from a computer. It's a trade-off. You share a tiny bit of location data so that you don't lose your expensive device forever. It's quite a relief, really.
All right, let's proceed. I've just set up the facial recognition. It felt a bit strange, staring intensely into the camera like that, but the device seems to have recognized me instantly.
Wow, the interface is so much smoother than I expected. I'm currently browsing through the widget settings. I want to place a large weather widget right on my home screen so I can check the forecast at a glance.
Don't clutter it too much, Oliver. If you add too many widgets, the screen will look messy and it might drain your battery faster. I prefer a minimalist approach. Just the essential apps and maybe a nice wallpaper.
That's a valid point. I'll stick to the basics for now. Hey, look at these dark mode themes. They look incredibly sleek. I think I'll switch to dark mode to reduce eye strain when I'm using the phone at night.
Good choice. It's also better for OLED screens to save energy. Have you thought about organizing your apps into folders yet? It makes finding your social media or school tools much more efficient.
I'm on it. I'll create a folder for productivity and another for entertainment. Almost done. And there. It finally feels like my own personal device. It's all about making it work for you, isn't it?